Okay, guys, I'm back on the video, and we're done with the steps, and this is the way it looks right now. And I didn't see any problem at all with the boards. Everything worked out pretty good. The lines are pretty straight, and as you see, the wire helps a lot when you do that. The thing I did, tie the nails with a nail on the sides, as I show you in the other picture, first video. I'm sorry. And look the way, and they end up, I think they end up pretty good. So if you guys like it, let me know, subscribe and make a comments. I know it's another better ideas, like I said, and I think I did my best, but I'll take suggestions too. So please like it and comment and share if it's possible. So guys, have a good day or a good night wherever you at, and enjoy the video.